So the reasons why you shouldn't be watching any YouTube videos or any type of video tutorial at all regarding a jailbroken 3DS, even mine, is because most uploaders do not edit their guides after uploading, even if they made mistakes while making the video. And another reason is when methods become outdated, the information is normally not updated. Another reason is because it can be very difficult to give assistance with that said tutorial. Another reason is because a lot of YouTubers use a pre-packaged download, which is normally not even updated, and it's also normally horribly organized. Another reason why is because it is possible to have a virus inside of an application that would attempt to break your 3DS by renaming and deleting NAND files. So with all of these topics involved here, it is just not smart to follow any video guide you find on your 3DS, especially if it is something complicated involving a how to jailbreak or something that requires multiple system files and not just necessarily a CIA. Now you're probably thinking, well AJ, why are you making tutorials about all of these 3DSs that are jailbroken and whatnot and all them doohickeys? Well, the reason why is because tutorials are what I know and it's what I feel like that I'm good with. So that's what I resort to making. But my goal with this video series coming out pretty soon is to help educate people and show people what can be done to your 3DS. Because for the last week, 2 weeks that I've had my 3DS now and so I've slowly been learning more and more about it, I have had an extremely hard time figuring things out and finding things because nobody made YouTube videos, and the ones that did, they're normally absolute dog shit quality, or they just make them here and there and they're not organized enough like in a playlist where you could easily find the stuff. And that's something that my goal here is to change that. My goal that in a couple years from now, somebody gets a jailbroken 3DS and they want to get some games for free and figure out how to mod those games and then customize their keyboard or whatever I might be uploading here, they can look up one of those videos, find my channel, go to the playlist, see all the different videos I have, and then see that they're outdated and hopefully watch this video as well, and see that they're outdated, and then follow the official links that I have linked in the description. That's my goal here, is to help basically keep all of this information preserved into one spot in the future. But that's going to be about it for this video, guys. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.